What's the meaning of airman? Airman. 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 Airman.
Airman is a noun that refers to a person who serves in the Air Force or aviation industry. Airman typically refers to a member of the military who is trained and skilled in various aircraft-related tasks, such as piloting, navigation, maintenance, and support. In the civilian sector, airmen can also refer to individuals who work in a wide range of aviation-related professions, including commercial pilots, flight attendants, air traffic controllers, and mechanics. Overall, airman is a term that denotes someone who is involved in various aspects of flying and operating aircraft in different contexts.